Hello there. Tonight we're going to take you through Read and Write Gold. So the first thing is get the program up and running. Now if you haven't come across Read and Write Gold before, it's a kind of all-in-one study tool and literacy aid with a range of functions that will help most of your users in the college. So there's the toolbar there. What I can do with it is I can grab it and then just drag it up to the top of the screen and dock it in place. And I'll just wait there now to use with the rest of my documents. I'm going to take you through two functions tonight of it. That is going to be the spell check function and also the play button. I'll quickly just go over the rest of them first. We'll have the spell check obviously, which I'll go into more depth in a minute. The predictive text feature, which is quite useful. A very powerful dictionary, which will give you definitions of words. You can also add your own to it, and it can also be contextualised to the studies you're doing. So there's science dictionaries in there, there's ones for biology, there's also ones for arts and cities and world and geography. Word wizard is a thesaurus, and again it's quite useful for doing lots of different things. There's also the sounds like button, which will take you through a range of homophones and allow you to choose the correct ones to use within your document. Now the play button, that allows you to select any text in almost any document and have it read back to you using a range of voices. Again, you can change speeds, pitches and tones with all these different voices. The stop button next to it just simply stops the reader from talking away. Snapshot reader allows you to grab anything that's on your screen and allows it to be read back. So if you're on the web and there's some images with text, you can take a snapshot of them and Read and Write Gold will read that back to you. SpeechMaker is quite a useful function that allows you to select any text in a document and then convert it to an MP3. So you can download it to your iPod, your mobile phone, or even your digital recorder, so you can listen to class notes again at any point and coming back and forward to the college or university. You have also another function, the scan, and that allows you to take anything like a newspaper, a book, again pictures with text on it, or even a photograph you've taken with any text in it, and again the document in Read and Write Gold will read it all back to you. Allows you to save it as a Word in a PDF document as well. Screen masking will put a tint on your screen or work as a reading ruler, and again the colour and things can all be adjusted to suit your own needs. And the other option that's available here is speech input, and that works similar to Dragon speech recognition and allows you to control the PC. There is a whole host of other functions available for Read and Write Gold, but we're not going to go into much depth. Right, the first thing we're going to do is spell check. So we've got a document here that's needing proofread as such, so I'll just open that up. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of spelling mistakes here. Now, if you want to check them all at once, just one after another, the best thing to do is click into your document and then simply click the spell check button. It'll search through the document and then it gives you a list of options here and also the meaning of the word. And if you're quite happy with that, all you need to do is click change button and then it will just move on to the next one. And you can see it's given the meaning all the way down. With some words, if it's simply you have put letters around the wrong way and it's a common mistake you can add that to the autocorrect part. So the next time you type it, it'll be sorted. So I'm just going to close this down now. The other way to spell check is simply right click on the word and you can see it brings up the menu again. Sometimes this one's quicker if you've only got one or two mistakes. Again, just click change, it does that. And then you're free to save the document. With most of the tools in Read and Write Gold, there's more options with them. So the spell check options, to get them going, is click the options here and then go into spelling options. And it opens up a new screen for you. As you can see, you can, if you want, the first one is custom. So if you have a lot of words, maybe you're doing a science course here at the college, or even one in leisure industries where you need specific terms, you can add them to the dictionary and then they'll be spell checked correctly each time for you. You can also go further into the settings and you can see down the bottom you can change dictionaries. So we can add, if you wanted to, a US English, Australia. As you can see, there's also medical, towns, cities and biology dictionaries all available. Again, you can change the automatic ones. So you saw earlier that we added only. Again, every time we type that now, it's going to be corrected for us. Also shows you a list of any spelling mistakes you've had. Phonetics are available as well, and a full log of everything we've done. And to come out of that, you just click cancel. To make any changes, just make changes, click OK. You can also do things like other options available with spell check is spell as I type. So as you're typing through it will just correct the document or show them. And also spell aloud selected word. So any word you see will actually spell it out for you, which is quite good. If you ever get stuck, there is a video tool available. Second function that I'm going to show you tonight is the play button, and that's quite easily done. If you want anything in your document read, you just simply click at the start of the bit you want read and click play.
Don't think about this.
As you can see, it highlights the text you're about to read, and it also highlights the individual word in a separate colour that is being read at the moment, so it can help you keep tracking of things. What you can also do then, again with the play button, is change the options as you go. So at the moment I'm set up to read by sentence. You can do this by paragraph. You can also ask it to read on to the next block of text, so at the end of that sentence it will just automatically move on. You can also do other things like change the voice. So if you didn't like the voice that was coming, you go into the options menu and right here on the front page. So at the moment we're using a Scottish voice, but that can be changed to a whole host, as you can see here. So just to give you a little taste, use Tina and hit test voice.
This is your new voice. Is it okay?
And it's really up to the individual user to change the voice to suit their preferences. You can also change the speed, which is very handy, so you can adjust the rate of the voice to your own reading speed.
This is your new voice. Is it okay?
So I don't particularly like that one, so I'm just going to change it back. And then once you're happy with it, just click OK, and that's it done. So that is Read and Write Gold, the spell check function and play function. Very simple and very useful for a lot of students. So thank you.